Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are when you're watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Last day in Goa here. I'm gonna miss this view from this room. We already extended it by a day, especially for this view. Just getting ready to go to a nearby place called Harvelum Waterfalls. It's just a 1 hour ride from here. So the plan is to go there, sit for an hour or so, come back. So by lunchtime we should be here. And then in the afternoon we're going to just relax, evening maybe walk by the beach or explore the hotel, because we haven't done that. Last night when I sat out to watch the sunset, I just felt we didn't fully enjoy Goa as we thought we would. There are so many reasons, like this is not a typical Goa. Every shop, every place is shut. Some of the shacks are open, but they're empty. But you can still enjoy there. We just went to watch the sunset from a shack, but we didn't do anything. And in that regard, I just thought we should probably extend it by one more day. It just felt like a short trip. 4 days felt like a short trip in Goa. So today evening, we're just gonna sit, relax, put our computers, phones aside, and just relax. Because last 2 days we've been editing, uploading non-stop, and I don't like it. I actually wish we can all go back and then upload, but it's the excitement of showing you guys what we saw. And the best till date is that route from Belgaum to Goa. That is the best that I've enjoyed so far in this trip. The Butterfly Beach was nice, but it's just that it's just not clean. There is so much that can be done to that place, but once I saw those drone shots, I was like, wow, this place looks beautiful. When I was searching for something, similar locations, I think in Brazil you have something like that, which is crazy, man. It's just that it looks so beautiful from the top, but down there, it looked normal. The trek wasn't that easy, but it was an adventurous trip. I'm ready to head out, waiting for Shima to come out, and then we'll head out and watch some waterfalls. See you on the road. Hey guys, exploring another location. Should be there in 1 hour 11 minutes and just like 40 kilometers from here. Let's hope the spot's good. Okay, switching bikes. Came to a primitive bike. This is so strange, dude. This is so heavy and like feels like a road bike. Like I'm so close to the ground, but nice. This has a good feel of a road bike for a change. Your horn's gone, but feels so soft. Array, I think your tire pressure is low, dude. While turning, I can feel it. Back on a Triumph after almost my straight win. Feels good. But this is almost a 3-year-old Tiger, so I'm missing already some of the features that I have on the BMW, like adjustable windshields, the dash, the big TFT. Sriman was just asking if I use all the features on the BMW. Like 80% of them, yes. But this has a smoother engine, and see how my knees are. This feels slightly taller than my street win, but much lower than that mountain. One thing immediately that I need here on this bike is a horn. But that's okay, we can manage, not a big problem. That whistling noise that's missing in the new Tigers. This is iconic. Maybe this would get boring when you are like having it every day. Once in a while it's actually good, so that could be one reason why they removed it. They didn't intentionally remove the noise, it's just the character, so they changed the firing order and hence the noise went down. No, the whistling noise, not the engine noise. Engine noise went up few notches. But there's a very comfortable road-oriented ADV, whereas mine's more of an off-roader which can do roads too. This has good mid-end and top-end. Low-end may the twin cylinders work better. I wrote this in Rajasthan trip. You can check out the video here, and my initial review and feedback on that was pretty good. when I was buying the 850, I was looking for a road focused bike, and Tiger was one of the options. At that time the new model didn't release, so I didn't buy it. But yeah, I can understand Sriman's complaints about this windshield. If you have to duck so low for this windshield, you are literally sleeping on the tank. It's a very scenic location, man. Nice. Almost here near the location. Yeah, I think those are the waterfalls down there. But idhar se jana hai shayad. Hi, is the location this way or this way? This way. Thank you. Hey guys, we're here at Harvelim Waterfalls. Harvelim actually. Harvelim Waterfalls. It's like 1 hour drive from main Goa, not Goa. It's a beautiful place. If you can actually go to the other side, you can find the view of the waterfalls, a better view. Apparently one person got drowned unfortunately a few days back, so they put a poster there and they've recommended not to go inside water. Not that we were planning to go into the water anyway, because with our riding shoes and all. It's not tall, but it's a very fierceful waterfall. It's coming at very high pressure. Anyway, I think we'll be done. We'll just sit here for a few minutes and then head back to the hotel. Chalo, see you on the road. Nice truck. If you want to see more artistic view of the truck, go to my Instagram page. The link's here. But nice, worth 1 hour worth, definitely, the waterfalls. Hope you enjoyed those shots. No plan from now on. Just gonna chill till it's evening around 4 p.m. when the sun's down and it's cool. Then we'll start exploring the nearby beaches and the resort, because that's something we haven't done. Let's go to the hotel and have some lunch, because it was quite humid and dehydrating. We had some water, but still. Anyway, catch you in a while. Hey guys, reached the hotel around 1:30 from the waterfalls. Hope you liked that footage. Had lunch, had a power nap, and then in the evening we just chilled in the hotel. He walked out around 6 o'clock, working out on a vacation. Good for commitment, but bad. I think we'll let you decide.
Bad for vacation.
Vacation, yeah.
Vacation.
But he's cheating today. He just had what? Full on cheat chal raha hai. He's not telling. I know. I mean, his trainer won't see my vlogs, so I can tell anything. So he had semia paisam, one small cup.
Huh?
One Kakinada Kaja in Goa.
Kakinada Kaja in Goa.
What is this?
This is your sandwich. Your sandwich.
You know who is faking it. The dinner was amazing today. The last day was Perfect. Helmets out, ready for tomorrow. Bags packed. Look what we are watching.
We free नहीं थे. Only me and Rohit are free right now. कोई दोस्त भी नहीं है.
I think Shriman and Sharan have gone to Goa.
Look at him. Look at his face.
They're in a trip.
Look at his face.
जब वो लोग स्टार्ट किए थे वो मुझे और जली थी बिकॉज आई वाज गोइंग टू वर्क ये भी साइड में मैं साइड जा रहा हूँ ये कोई सिमुलेटर पर जा रहा है एंड दोज पीपल आर लाइक चिलिंग फ्लाइंग ड्रोन्स हैविंग चाय ऑन द हाईवे feels so good. The first time we saw it, me and Shriman were laughing before he could tell that we could sense it in his face that he was feeling jealous. Anyway, that's it for our Goa trip, guys. Today is the last day. Tomorrow we'll be starting around 5:36. Now it's almost 10 o'clock, so we're gonna chill for it maybe half an hour and sleep early because we're gonna get up early and hopefully we'll do it non-stop. So most probably by 9 or so we'll reach Hyderabad or much earlier. Time to sleep and catch you guys on the road tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's 6:30 right now. Checked out of the hotel. Finishing our breakfast. Some sandwiches and muffins and some juice. We're supposed to leave by 6 but we're hungry, so finishing our breakfast here itself. And there's a huge box that we couldn't carry, so it was a good idea to have it here. Thank you Taj Food Agoda for the overall stay and also this lovely breakfast. Pretty good actually. You like your breakfast?
Oh yeah. It's very good. Chicken grill sandwich. Yeah, I'm missing my diet, but I have to. No other option right now. I have my oats and all. On the way, we need that.
I hope you can see the bikes there. Parked, looped and ready to leave. Maybe in 15 minutes we'll head out. See you on the road. Done with the beautiful resort here. The corner room was ours. Enjoyed the stay. This is Taj Agoda. So heading home. Map set 14 and a half hours and 630 kilometers. Nice to see people working out. I think if we had started maybe 1 hour early, we would have seen nice orange sunrise while we were climbing the mountain, but it's okay. And maybe we need to stop for fuel, and I still have 160 kilometers range, but heading back to Hyderabad was the same route that we came. We're just following what Google Maps shows, and it's going through the same route till Belgaum. After that I don't know, have to check. But this is that scenic canopy route that you saw in day 2 video. Really loved it. And I think a good classic would be quite fun with the exhaust note, because you don't cross max to max 90 in this stretch, and classics sound amazingly well in this kind of area. Early morning breakfast ride from Goa. Nice foggy mountain ride. I think if it had started early we would have had full fog here. Looks like it rained early morning or late last night. The roads are slightly wet, so you need to be slightly careful on the corners. And I love this color of grass during this time of the season. The guard section that you saw, or wherever the drone shots were there, right, that section is very dry in other seasons. It's not that green, so I think we have come in the right season for that location. I think if it was 1 hour early, there would have been a lot of fog. Much more beautiful maybe. Oh, just look at that fog ahead. And here. In half an hour that will be gone with the sun and all. Steepest ghats I have ever ridden. Dekho, and oh, this is quite sharp. Yeah, somewhat, but probably I don't know. I don't remember if it's this steep. Lonavala bhi. Arku are the most fun ghats. Wide roads hai. Yeah. Oh, clouds. I see some fog and clouds. Go bite, cut to the corner, early acceleration, done. That's the location we got the drone shots from. We're not gonna stop at that Thillari sunset point or something. Love the greenery here, man. Look at the color. It doesn't need any color correction at all. Green.
I think the guards are done. And this was the location we stopped. Not gonna stop here because we have a long road back. Almost came around 250 kilometers from the hotel. Covered that in roughly 4 hours. Decent speed. Before this, stopped like 1.5 hour back, maybe for just some quick water. Now fuel stop. After this, we'll stop for lunch. Same route, so it had nothing much to show. But need to stop and maybe snack up a bit and have some water. Oh man, I'm getting sick of these speed breaker. It's 1 o'clock. Soon we have to figure out a spot for lunch. We have covered almost 400 kilometers so far. We'll have lunch for half an hour, and then from here to Humnabad it's around 120 or 130. From there to my place another 140. So roughly around 250, 270 kilometers left to home. Hopefully in 5 hours that should be done. So that's a good amount of time. After the lunch break it's going to be 5 hours. So that's the plan. We'll catch you guys at the lunch break. Need to find a good location. We took only like 4 breaks, 2 fuel breaks, 2 snack breaks, and 1 stretching break. I guess that's it. 5 breaks. We would have another 2 more breaks, 1 for fuel and 1 for lunch. That would be it. Chalo, see you at the lunch spot. Just stopped like 250, 260 kilometers from destination. We'll take another 5.5 hours. Stop for some lunch. Should reach home by 6:30. That should be good. Peak traffic time. I just wish we had a place to sit, like the breakfast place. We passed by that. There were trucks, so I think it's full. The Kali Dabba. Look at all this trash. We carry our own trash, most of it at least. Done with the lunch. Half an hour break. Time to roll. Next stop would be fuel break, and then mostly stretch and home. The seat is so hard that it takes a while to get used to riding with that. Not a major problem. The more you ride, the more you can get used to it. Yeah, I used to have that air cushion seat, but then it was changing the height and the way you ride this bike. I had a slight headache since around 8 or 9 in the morning. I drank more water and had food, so that's pretty much gone. Last time when I came through this road, a lot of you were correcting me when I was saying in the comments, you said it's not Kala Burji, it's Kala Buragi. Kala Buragi. Gulbarga was easier to say. Veg Burji, Kala Burji nahi hai, Kala Buragi hai. Hope I got it right this time. We've reached Kala Buragi, and I think this time we're taking the outer ring road. So much faster, much easier to ride through than the last time we came through the city. We even went under a rail under bridge, but it's hot, man. 33 degrees, but feels like 35 or something. Humnabad 61, that's where we take the route to the highway. Hopefully we'll reach there in like 1 hour. That should be good. Done with the single road all the way from Goa. Finally we are able to now get to the main Hyderabad highway. We're just 140 kilometers from home. That is the flyover to Hyderabad. I am done with the speed breakers. That's the last speed breaker I can. Oh no, one more. Last speed breaker. Yes. 3:30 here on the final stretch. Hyderabad D Sangareddy D Jahirabad. Sorry I'm doing this wrong direction. I don't recommend, but हर ट्रिप में श्रीमान का फाइनल स्ट्रेच में कुछ तो होगा. पंक्चर हो गया अभी उनका रेयर पंक्चर. डैम आई थिंक వస్తున్నా గుంజ్. ఏయ్ బాబు ఇంద్ర గాలి रिम బయటకు వచ్చింది. हो गया टायर पंक्चर रिपेयर हो गया. हम करना है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. Best if you can find it something nearby. They do it professionally well. Our puncture kit is only for like emergencies when we can't find anything of that sort. But now no more stoppings, directly home for me. I hope you enjoyed this Goa playlist. Leave your feedback in the comment section and look forward to seeing you in the next vlog, which will probably be the service of this bike sometime this week. And in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night. Take care. Bye bye.